Mr. Siddiqui,
Yes.
the question was that if it is only to be an act of parliament, then the constitution might have used the word act of parliament, not that the word law includes an act of parliament. The whole issue was that subject to law, law is a very broad term,
Yes.
includes many things,
Yes.
including an act of parliament.
Yes.
And the Attorney General said that we should read into the word law the fact that it's just an act of parliament. Hence the issue as to how to read the word law. आप जो बहस कर रहे हैं कि लॉ में एक्ट ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है वो तो अंडरस्टूड है, सिर्फ ये है कि टू द एक्सक्लूजन ऑफ एवरीथिंग एल्स हम इसको लॉ में पढ़ेंगे.
मैं टू द एक्सक्लूजन आर्ग्यू नहीं कर रहा हूँ, एंड द रीजन आई एम ट्राइंग टू क्लैरिफाई सो दैट देयर इज नो कंफ्यूजन is to come to my argument about conferment under Article 190. If I may just make one point on this.
You see, there are two issues
Yes,
here.
yes.
I'm into now.
जी.
I'm here to hear you. Please conclude your submissions. If someone wants to ask a question, if you start responding to each query, I don't even know what your argument is. And I would request the honorable members of the bench to at least let counsel complete his submission. Yes, there will be questions, but I don't know what you're going to say next. And if you are faced with questions, I mean, I don't know what I'm to write, and I just lose the chain of thought, and I'm sure you do as well. So, Mr. Siddiqui, please, if you keep responding to each question, we'll be forever. No, excuse me, this is no laughing matter.
Well, Lord, I can't-
No, from morning to night on the first day we worked, every second of this court is time of the people who have invested heavily in this institution. 3 full days have worked. Now we are on the 4th day. We can endlessly hear one case in the year, and that's our performance. And all the other cases will get left behind, and all they will keep mounting up. So please, there are 15 of us, and all of us have questions, and undoubtedly valid questions. Please complete your chain of thought, and if you keep responding, I don't know what your contention is.